All right, so I have been saving up some book mail to open up with all of you. It says yesterday, and I can't wait to share because there's a good batch. And I realized that I should open all the boxes beforehand, before filming this. So all the boxes have already been opened, so you don't have to see me struggle with the scissors and the boxes and all that stuff. Can cut straight to the box. All right, well, I'm ready to show you and share some really fun ones. So let's check it out. First up, oh, look at this very cute cover. This is from Little Brown Books Publishing, and it's about this little girl who's really upset, and so her dad takes her on this like incredible stroller ride through the town. And if I'm going on a stroller ride that looks like this, I don't know about you, but my mood would definitely be raised, right? Look at that. So colorful, beautiful illustrations. I can't wait to share more of these. This one. Again, my friends, if there's any books you want to see more of or more details of, just let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to share, like especially share a post of that one, right? Chronicle Kids books. This series is always so much fun. I know so many truck lovers who adore these construction books. So this is a new one, a road crew coming through. So many trucks. This always reminds me of the movie Cars. I don't know if you've seen it, but that's a fun movie. I think it's one of the funniest ones. This one is beautiful, from Penguin Workshop, Penguin Kids, Random House, I think. 3 Ways to be Brave. So this has like 3 little mini stories of bravery, and I like that this could be like a great starting like independent read for a little kid, or you can also read it with them. And look, I'll show you. So, 3 moments of being brave. Undercovers, nervous belly, first day of school, and got the jitters on checkup day. So 3 little, 3 events that kids would relate to, you know, that would need a little courage. And I love the color scheme of the cover. Nice. SEL books are always great. Now, let's see. I have, pull up this box here. This one's from Tuttle Publishing, and my friends, if you didn't know, I shared a little in my stories, but October is actually Filipino American Heritage Month, and starting next week, actually this weekend on Sunday, I'll be sharing some Filipino American content. I am half Filipino, so always want to share. And I have some fun giveaways with Tuttle Publishing coming up, a giveaway on Monday, I believe. And I'll also be doing an Instagram takeover for Tuttle Publishing on Tuesday, so check out for that. But they just sent some more books to share for this month, Filipino American Cultural Heritage Month, Filipino Friends, and oh, look at this one, Filipino Celebrations. I love this scene on the back. I love the community food books. And this one, if you are trying to learn Tagalog, and I actually don't know Tagalog, so if I wanted to learn, I could learn with this picture dictionary. Look, it has I love picture dictionaries, totally accessible for all the kids and everyone, because you just see the picture there right in front of you, and has it in English, then how you say it in Tagalog, how to some pronunciation guides too, which is cool, how to count and everything. So these are super fun, and so be on the lookout for some more Filipino children's book content coming out next week. Those are fun. Oh yeah, and the giveaway. Ooh, this one just came from HarperKids, and I know a lot of you have probably been seeing this one, but I'm very excited. I love Joanna Ho's work. It's always amazing, and this is such an important one. So quick little flip through about Yo-Yo Ma playing at the border. And she has a new book coming out too soon. I want to say January, but so excited to get this one. I actually had just interviewed her, got to talk to her in person for Gold House Storytime Hour the other weekend, and that was amazing to hear her explain Isaac is in the Corners. So if you missed that, I think, be able to post like a rerun of it. She has some fun details she shares about like some secrets about the cover pages and stuff. Really fun. All right. Ooh, this one, it's fun when they come in these sparkly packages. This one's from Simon Kids, and it's this middle grade read. So they actually had sent an advanced copy, I think, earlier, and I've been waiting for the finalized copy because this story sounds amazing. This is about this girl, or it's about Bug, and then her friend, who I believe is trans, and it's about their summer. There's like some mystery in it. Very fun. Would make for a great read aloud, maybe with older elementary, and also I want to just read it for myself because that is my jam. I love reading middle grade books, and I know a lot of you do too. Let's see. Ooh, there's this other sparkly and ooh, oh, look at that. Friends have such great gift wrapping. I'm not going to open this one yet because this is actually a fun collaboration post that I'm doing with someone with a holiday book that will come in November. So stay tuned for that. All right, sparkly packages. My friends, do you save these sparkly packages? I actually save them. I reuse them. Sometimes I use them for mailing and I have to like cover up all the address labels, but otherwise sometimes I just use them for like crafts with my kids. Very fun packaging. Here's from Greystone Kids. This one, look at the beautiful cover. This would have been great for the fall collection, but fall lasts a long time, so I can still feature it because fall is going to last for a couple more months. And look at the inside. Perfect, beautiful fall colors. I know I had asked earlier if people thought purple was a Halloween color, and a lot of you said yes. And now that I think about it, I think it is too. Gorgeous. How beautiful. I agree. How beautiful. They also have, oh, little narwhal, not alone. Narwhals are such amazing animals. Unicorns of the sea. Oh, this one looks so cute. Look at that little narwhal. And based on a true story. That's always fun. My little learners all love it when things are based on true stories because they think how amazing that this actually happened. A little narwhal sets off on an adventure to see new sights and he strays far from home. And then he joins a pod of belugas. Oh, that's always interesting when species like intermix together. That one looks cute. This is very fun for you animal science lovers. My little learner is obsessed with animals, but look at this. This is very cool. I'm very excited. X-rays of nature's hidden world. So it shows you an X-ray of like all these animals. Like, look at this. A bumblebee. This is what the inside of a bumblebee looks like with X-ray vision. So imagine you have X-ray vision and you can just like see all these animals and their X-rays, which, oh my goodness, an eel. So I think my little learner and I are going to be start learning about like skeletons and stuff. And look at that. This is amazing. I think I could just like look and read through this book on my own. And it is like the words, as you can see, are smaller. So it's probably be good to like read with your little one unless they're older. This would also make like a fun coffee table book because I know I would be super curious. Oh, weasel. And oh, this one. Love Asian representation always. This one is actually about Lunar New Year a bit, so I might save this one for Lunar New Year, feature it more towards then. Always excited to grow that collection. I love Lunar New Year. And beautiful illustrations. Always love food scenes. Asian food is the best, in my opinion. All right, that was from Greystone Kids, and I think I think we're actually almost done, but there is this gigantic box from Quarto Kids with some amazing ones. Let me see if I can show you without everything falling down. See? Wow. And excuse, oh my gosh, I just gave you a sneak peek of all my piles of stuff back there. It's mostly books, but yeah. Anyways, let's see what we got. This is the last box, I believe. Yes. Oh, ooh, if you love, oh my gosh, Little People Big Dream series, my friends, look at, they are now in 4 books. So cute. Let's see, Artist Little Dreamers. These are so great for inspiring your little tiny babies, and I know some of my Bookstagram friends are having babies soon, so be on the lookout for these to add to your collection. I've told you before, I think that I am stocking up on baby books for when I have my own baby, and I might have to get rid of some soon because they are taking up a lot of the shelves, and new ones are always coming out. I should probably share them with other kids or other parents who have babies, but it's so hard to part with them, especially when they're super cool like this. Oh my, this is a big book. Look at this. I love the size of big books, and I'm already super small, so it's like it's even bigger. And a game in a book. Well, that's intriguing. Spin to Survive Frozen Mountain. Decide your destiny with a pop-out fortune spinner. What? Oh my goodness, look at this. I am so curious. So look at that. So it looks like you're climbing a mountain. You're going to need to spin the thing to survive. I could spend the whole time looking at this one, but I will help share some more books. But oh my gosh, it is a game in a book, and it is gigantic, and I'm super curious. This will be great for a winter collection. Another big book, and featuring Fairy Tale Land. I adore magic. Anything to do with fairies and fairy tales. 12 classic tales reimagined. Look at, you can see all the fairy tale characters. See, look at, there's Alice. There's, actually only recognize Alice. Huh. Well, someone needs to brush up on their fairy tales. Look at the page I just turned to, and I think this is going to be my favorite page in the whole book because it is the land of sweets, and I love candy. Anything sweet. Cookies, cake, yum. So look at that. Beautiful. And if the whole book is like this, I'm going to be amazed. Land of candy. Oh my gosh. So Land of Oz. So the Snow Queen. So there's some pages like more of the words, right? And then look at that. So words, 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 and then like big illustrated spreads. I can't wait to share this one. Welcome to Fairyland. Definitely gonna highlight more about that because that's so fun. Oh, more super cute baby books. Oh, these 100-word books are super cute. Oh, this is what was rattling. I heard the box was rattling. And I was like, what is that sound? These are so fun. My Home in 100 Words. Great way to help build vocabulary for littles. 5 wild animals. And let's see what this little thing is doing here. Oh my gosh. And then you can use these. Oh, that is adorable. Interactive. Oh, I'm sorry. I totally missed that. You use these little circle thingies and you can go around and make the shape of the of the animal. How fun. Okay, friends. Everyone with little babies. These are the books to check out. Oh, another one. What? These are so creative. Baby books are so creative these days. I wish I had these when I was a baby. I don't know if I quite remember, but I know that it'd be fun as a parent to watch the baby use them. And, oh, we got a couple more. Own Your Period, a fact-filled guide to period positivity. Well, this is an excellent resource for a young woman. And you know what? I'm actually going to read more about this because I'm actually very curious. I never learned much about my period in school or anything. When I got mine, I think I had gotten like some kit from school or health class and never really looked at it. And then I remember when I got my period, I was like, wait, I think I had that health kit, and I actually like looked through it and didn't learn too much, but I wish there was more resources because people need to know about what's going on, and it's great to know more, you know? Also about like cycles and stuff, and sorry if it's like TMI, but my cycle is like not always regular, so I kind of want to like learn more about like how to track that, you know? So if any of you like have tips, I don't know. So this one, definitely one to look through, especially if you have your own children going through puberty sometime soon. And the last, oh no, 2 more. Look at this one. One Moment in Time. Well, this is beautiful. This reminds me of like the World of Colors book. Ooh, look at those illustrations. Oh, so like, oh, it takes you through the world, right? And it takes you like through the different hours. So 3 o'clock in Turkey, 4 o'clock in Dubai, 5 o'clock in India. A great, interesting way to like go through a day and using like what different people are doing on different countries. And this is the last one, and it looks beautiful. It is a natural history of magic. And I don't know about you, but there's also a fairy version of this one. And when I saw Quarto Kids advertising this one, I was so excited because these books are gorgeous. The cover, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like this velvety cloth material, and it shimmers. So very magical. And it just has like everything you need to know about magic. And my little learner and I were doing a lot of witch stuff. Oh, look at that. Turn right to the wands. We're learning about witches and like the history of witches. We read that Secret of Witches book from Flying Eye Books. And we're just fascinated. So this is a beautiful one if you want to deep dive into magic, my friends. Natural history of magic. You'll probably see me post about this too. Because again, I love anything magic, fairies, all that stuff. All right. Well, that was fun, or at least I had a lot of fun sharing all of these. Again, if there are more you want more details about, let me know. I will be featuring all of these either in solo posts or collection posts, so keep an eye out. The board book collections are always fun. And other than that, I hope you all have a happy weekend. As my sister's coming home, so that'll be fun. And I'm going to catch up on some work, and I have some very fun Instagram live chats coming up with some very exciting authors and books. So please keep an eye out for that. Not this coming week, but the next. This week, remember, is going to be sharing some Filipino American children's books. So I hope you have a great weekend and happy reading, my friends.